Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, Jai Sri Krishna.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Vanita.
I'm Suresh.
That's my dad.
This is my daughter.
What are we making today, Dad?
Baingan Bharta. That's roasted eggplant, mashed and cooked with tomatoes and onion.
Sounds good. So, Dad, what are the ingredients we're going to be using today?
We're gonna make the base out of whole cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoonful of ground cumin powder, little bit of red chilies, coriander powder, half a teaspoon, onion, tomato, ginger and garlic, and little bit of green chilies, but that's optional.
Okay, so you've already cut up the garlic. Do you have to cut up the onion and the tomato?
Yes, but before we do that, we need to roast the eggplant. And there are a few steps I need to show you. Take the eggplant, grill it on the actual grill outside the house.
Ooh.
I take a knife, I make a little slit here.
Okay.
I take a little piece of garlic here and I stuff it inside. Well, we can roast the garlic at the same time.
Wow.
So,
Where'd
the
it go?
eggplant.
Where'd it go?
Cut these ends off like that. Okay, now we take the eggplant, cover the whole eggplant with some olive oil. Nice. Like this. And then we wrap it in a foil. We go outside the house and we grill this until it's completely cooked.
Okay, so we are now outside and we have put the eggplant on the grill. And Dad, how long do we roast it for?
Okay, we are grilling the eggplant on the grill here until it's fully cooked.
How do we know when it's fully cooked?
Well, we see that the skin has to be totally charred, and then we can feel it, it's softer.
Okay.
So it could take maybe 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and then
Sounds good.
we'll go after that.
All right, stay tuned. Okay, so it's been about 35 minutes and we just opened up the eggplant. And as you can see, it's looking pretty charred. So Dad, how does it feel? Is it getting softer?
It's getting a little bit softer now.
Oh, it's getting softer.
Yeah, it's gonna get soft.
Almost done. Okay, so we just came back upstairs from downstairs and we just took this out of the grill. Our eggplant looks pretty good, pretty soft.
It's pretty charred. We take the skin off. So the best way to take the skin off, we cut it in half.
Okay, since it's very hot, we're gonna use forks to peel the skin off. Okay, it is finally all peeled.
Get a masher.
What if someone doesn't have a masher?
Then you take any wooden hammer or any spatula. Can I show you how to mash it? You have to put the pressure down like that. It comes out of the holes. So this is a mashed eggplant.
It looks like mashed potatoes with seeds in it.
Yeah. So now we keep it on one side
Okay,
and then we make the base.
time to make the base. All right, so now we're gonna make the base.
About 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. Okay, now we heat up the oil. Now we add the whole cumin seeds in there. Now we add the chopped onions. Now, we cook the onion for a few minutes, maybe until they become a little bit softer. Once the onion is cooked, then we add chopped tomatoes in there. Now we want to add some garlic. And cook the garlic until the smell goes away.
Looking good.
Now we can add the eggplant into the mixture here. Nice and easy. Smells delicious. And now will be the time to add the peas.
Beautiful.
Now we add few spices to it. We need to put half a teaspoonful of coriander powder, half a teaspoonful of cumin powder, about half a teaspoonful of turmeric. We add some salt according to your taste. Now the chilies are basically optional. Put some in there. You mix it up and let it cook for another minute or so at the medium heat, and bharta is ready.
Okay, it looks like this delicious dish is ready to go.
Baingan Bharta, roasted eggplant with fresh tomatoes and red onion. Woo, looks good.
Smells really, really
You
good.
can eat this dish with naan or with rice.
One more step, garnishing.
We garnish with some fresh cilantro, and that's your Baingan Bharta.
Who's coming over to eat?
Thank you.